Hello and welcome everyone to Silver Asset of the Day for the 26th of May 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So first of all, as we head into a new week here, silver so far this month over May is up 17%. And as I mentioned on the week ahead commodity reports, we have seen silver recently break out $2 up above that $17.50 handle. In fact, right now we're consolidating near that zone. Currently, we have seen hedge funds and money managers significantly increase their net long positions on silver in the latest week. And finally, we have seen the gold silver ratio break below the 100-to-1 level. So it's now trading at 99-to-1. This is what we really needed to see happen in order for silver to continue to outperform gold and catapult higher, now back towards essentially the $17.50 handle again. And above that, the $18.91 handle, which would take us up to the swing highs back in January. We at the moment look like we're on track to do that. If silver can continue this momentum, and especially if it can break above the $18 level next. Now, the gold silver ratio breaking down this fast is significant. Back in March, we saw the gold silver ratio break out to 125-to-1. This is when silver broke down to 11-year lows, platinum broke down to 18-year lows, and gold broke down to 3-month lows. And usually there's a lag time of approximately 6 months when you have gold breaking out to 7.5-year highs for silver to then do the same when the gold silver ratio has been lagging as it has been doing, where the gold silver ratio broke out to 125-to-1, the largest move on record, which meant that silver prices compared to gold were the cheapest they've ever been. Now, silver has a lot of catching up to do, so the equivalent move of silver breaking out towards 7.5-year highs puts silver closer to $20 per ounce. And of course, there's still quite a lot of upside potential here. Normally as well, silver gets going from mid-May onwards. Now we're into the last week of May. It follows through into June and July. So we have the potential for quite a lot of upside here. Now, as always, it comes down to timing your entries, which is why we went through in a lot of detail a couple of weeks ago with you that if silver was able to hold above that $15.50 handle, this is where we're on track for a potential breakout back above the weekly highs. And there's a lot of clean air back towards the $17.50 handle. And then above that, this is where we can really start building further momentum. Now, what we've seen so far at the start of the week has been that usual counterflow. We had a bank holiday in the UK and the USA on Monday. Both gold and silver were under pressure. On Tuesday so far, gold's finding support. Silver's picking up momentum already, up 1.5% on the day. Usually it's the case that you develop further momentum later in the week over Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and then we get a breakout as we go into June. That's what I'm looking at the moment for the potential for this follow through move. Have a look at the higher time frames on silver and gold and platinum, where we've continued to drive higher with the potential to come all the way back towards the neckline. And again, silver has a lot of catching up to do relative to gold prices. So if gold does manage to break above the swing highs and the 7.5-year highs as we transition into June, this is where silver is likely to also catch up. And I could easily see silver trading back above $18 per ounce, and then look out for 19 and 20 over the summer months. So essentially, there's a lot to be keeping an eye on right now with the precious metals. It's the time of year in the summer where they tend to heat up and there's some great opportunities. The caveat to that is that we do need to continue to hold above $17 per ounce on a closing basis for silver to develop momentum here and have a more significant breakout to the upside. So far, silver is doing that on a closing basis, so I'm certainly looking for higher prices in the weeks to come here. So with that, that's been Silver Asset of the Day. And of course, I wish you good trading.